Hey, what's up, Rico gang? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to more NFT education, where we kind of take different NFT projects, we break them down, and then we try to learn from them. And today, the project I have, bro, I know I talk about a lot of times when I say look for projects where the team is reputable, right? But also where they're shattering the mold, they're doing something new. I think we found one as far as something that definitely is doing something new and is groundbreaking and innovative. And that's Astro Babies NFT, all right? Now, this is described as the first ever land-based crypto casino, all right? And so what I actually found out just by doing some more reading is that they're building the first ever land-based crypto casino in El Salvador, bro. And they actually, they're partnering with the government, with government officials, and looking in between 3 to 5 properties that are already finished and just kind of need to be renovated, all right? So this, number one, is crazy. So what this is this video that keeps looping. This is kind of a 3D render of the actual casino. This is something that they actually have already concepted out, all right? But we definitely gonna get into this roadmap and get into the utility of this NFT for sure. All right, on a piece of the casino with Astro NFTs. Astro Casino, low gas, high reward, powered by Solana, all right? So here goes another quality project that's on Solana, all right? Whenever I come across these, if it's quality, I'm always gonna support it simply because there is a shortage of quality projects on Solana, all right? So hold and earn with Astro NFTs. By simply holding an Astro Baby, ape, or pup, you will own shares in the world's first crypto land casino in El Salvador. Better yet, own all 3 NFTs and receive additional revenue reflections of aftermarket royalties. Finally, the rarity of your NFT will determine your revenue reflections paid in ABB tokens, all right? That must be their cryptocurrency within their world. The rarer your Astro NFT, the more you earn, all right? So basically what that means is the more rare your NFT is, you fall into a higher tier, you fall into a higher percentage of payout, basically. So remember, these are shares. So the more NFTs you hold, the more you can earn, right? Mint your Astro Apes now, plus free Astro Pups. We are currently minting our exclusive collection of 5,000 Astro Apes, with each ape held increasing your revenue reflections. Plus, you might get yourself an ultra rare 1-of-1, earning you a share of 1% of total revenue paid in ABB tokens. All right, now let me tell you why that's important, all right? Let's do some math. Let me show y'all something real quick. All right, so we just gonna convert that. 369 Ethereum, all right? And that's actually 369,000. So that's basically an insane amount of money, right? That's what, let's just round it to 900 million, all right? What's 1% of 900 million? 1% of 500 million is 5 million, all right? And so if this project, just to put it in perspective, if this project was to get that big, then that's what you're looking at, you know what I'm saying? You can also buy an OG Astro Baby here, should you need to complete your Astro NFT collection for aftermarket royalties. To be eligible for Astro Pup airdrop, you must hold the same wallet for 45 days post reveal. Okay, boom. So that's where you win a Tesla Model 3. For the chance to win a Tesla Model 3, you need to mint one of each: the Astro Baby, the ape, and pup. Owning all 3 will also increase your revenue reflections and offer a share of aftermarket royalties from Astro NFT sales, all right? So Astro Club is reimagining the NFT marketplace and crypto casino powered by Solana. Astro Babies are about to land on planet Solana. Their mission is to manifest the vision of a metaverse, furthering the adoption of a Solana ecosystem. But first, a safe landing is in order. Allocation and airdrop of all 3 Astro Babies collections must occur. All right, interested in the Astro Babies project? Let's look over the light paper a little bit. And before I do that, I want to say I actually came across this project on Twitter. It was something that I was kind of looking for, and what I noticed is that the floor price for the OG Astro Babies got completely swept the past week, from 0.8 Solana, right, to 10 Solana. So this project has already started to mint, but what they're actually gonna do on Tuesday is they're gonna open up the next 2,500, right? And they're gonna be hosting a whitelisting, which I am gonna enter in for, but we're gonna go ahead and check their Discord later. I mean, I've been paying attention to this team, bro. They got billboards up all over the place in downtown San Salvador. I think I seen one of them talking about how they're gonna have some billboards up during the Team Canada versus El Salvador soccer game on February the 2nd. They are going hard promoting this, and so that gives me, as somebody who knows nothing about the project and is learning about it, that kind of gives me ease to know, okay, this might be something I'm gonna go in on, because these people are pulling out all the stops you know what I mean, to get their project out there, and I can respect that. I know they're trending really hard in like Central America, Latin America right now. They hosted a Twitter Spaces recorded with some government officials, a development team, their media team. Like, it was crazy, bro. Just to kind of see like how the internet could bridge that gap between those two different types of people and have them on the phone. All right, but let's look over the light paper for a little bit. This is, you know, all kind of just the roadmap. It's basically the roadmap, and like here they talk about, you know, after the apes or after the babies, then boom, then they're gonna go after the OG Astro apes, right? And then the Astro pups, right? They're continuing to be minted. So I can honestly say that I like this artwork. I like it. It's really clean. It doesn't look like it's just copied and pasted. It all looks 100% hand drawn, 100% original. But let's look inside their Discord. They got 4,600 members in there, and I bet you they're not fake. They're going hard, and like I said, I can respect it. Twitter Spaces article. Follow each other, 8 rarity check. Yeah, so they look legit, man. Let me know what y'all think about this project in the comments. I definitely will keep y'all updated. And hey, go to their Discord. If you see this video, go to their Discord and say, hey bro, what's up with the whitelist? I'm trying to get in, because I promise you, this is one we've already seen their previous like part of their collection go up in value. So there's nothing stopping the second one. So man, love y'all out there. Let's get it.